Now at 5, does the governor have the power to rein in the pandemic? The state Supreme Court heard arguments today on that question, and their decision could impact how we fight COVID in Wisconsin. As Shaun Gallagher explains, justices also asked why Republicans in the legislature are not doing more.
At issue before the state Supreme Court, whether Governor Tony Evers has the right to declare another public health emergency, making it mandatory for people to wear masks across the state.
Fabic versus Evers.
The suit against Governor Evers claims he is overstepping his powers during the pandemic. Governor Evers first declared a public health emergency on March 12th. After that, state law says the governor must get state legislative approval for any further public health emergencies on the same issue. But Governor Evers issued emergency orders again in July and September to get people to wear masks as COVID-19 cases surged to record numbers.
You don't get an unlimited amount of emergency declarations for the same public health emergency. So that is our point.
In August, Wisconsin's COVID-19 rate of spread was actually slowing. We were feeling pretty good, people were confident, and then the school year started and boom, our numbers skyrocketed, and Governor Evers issued Executive Order 90 in response to those emergency circumstances, not to a stagnant or static COVID-19 pandemic.
The justices will have to decide whether Governor Evers has the power to invoke a public health emergency again. Justice Rebecca DALLET pointed out the legislature has the power here to prevent Governor Evers' actions, but she said they haven't met since mid-April to discuss the pandemic.
They could meet the day after the governor declares it and say we're ending it. How do you address that point and the fact that the legislature has done absolutely nothing here?
The Wisconsin Supreme Court took their arguments into a closed session this afternoon. I'm told they could render an early decision at some point this week, with a full explanation of that decision coming in a few weeks after that. In Milwaukee, Shaun Gallagher, TMJ4 News.